Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Command versus market economy questions get easy fast when you lock onto one key difference. Then test every choice against that idea carefully. First off, let's talk about a command economy. The government makes major economic decisions, so individuals and private businesses have less control over resources, production, and ownership. Watch this. Next, compare property rights, because that is the core contrast here. Command systems restrict private ownership more, while market systems usually protect individual property rights and choice. That fits. So eliminate choices about efficiency, surplus, or legal incentives, because the real textbook difference here is property rights, which points straight to option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing past key signs. Rule, trust the given contrast and check each step before locking your answer.